Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you having trouble opening the Immune app on your device? Are you frustrated because you can't access the features that you need to monitor your health? Don't worry, we are here to help in this video. We will go through some troubleshooting steps that you can take to fix the Immune app not opening problem. So let's get started. So first of all, update the Immune app. For this, open Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS and type Immune, and then here open it, and here if update is available in your phone, then from here update it. After that, long press on the Immune app and now tap on App Info, and here tap on Storage and Cache, and here clear the cache of the app. In this method it will fix the app, but if this not fix the app, then check your internet connection. For this, go to Google and here check your internet connection. Here type internet speed test and tap on the first link. If your internet speed is not working, it will show here. So hope all these methods will work for you, but if this not works, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and completely uninstall the Immune app and reinstall it again. With this method it will fix, but if this not work for you, then go to Google Chrome or web browser again and search for Immune app support, and contact with this link and tell this problem to Immune support team. So hope this will help for you. Thanks, goodbye.